Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the intricacies of the crypto market. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum, ETHUSD, analyzing the latest news and current events impacting its price movement. A recent Google search for Ethereum reveals a mixed sentiment, with articles highlighting both bullish and bearish indicators. On one hand, we see reports of an uptick in Ethereum network activity, accompanied by a 498% rise in ETH gas fees, which could be a positive sign for the price. On the other hand, there are concerns about North Korean IT workers infiltrating cryptocurrency projects, potentially posing a threat to the Ethereum Foundation. Additionally, the SEC's postponement on a proposed Ethereum ETF options rule change following Bitcoin's approval signals uncertainty in the regulatory landscape. These developments, coupled with the recent drop in Ethereum's price, create an interesting backdrop for our chart analysis. Let's begin by looking at the daily chart of ETHUSD. We can see that Ethereum has been experiencing a significant downtrend over the past few weeks, falling from a high of around $3,500 to its current price of $2,358.53. This downtrend is particularly pronounced on the daily chart, where we can see a series of consecutive red candles. While the price has rebounded slightly from its recent lows, it's crucial to note that the current price level is still significantly below its previous highs. One notable observation is the lack of strong volume during this recent downturn, suggesting that the selling pressure might be easing. However, it's too early to say definitively whether this is a temporary pullback or the beginning of a more prolonged bearish trend. The daily chart also highlights the psychological support level at $2,000, which could provide a cushion for the price. If the price breaks below this level, it could signal further downside potential. On the other hand, if Ethereum manages to break above the resistance level at $2,600, it could indicate a shift in momentum and a potential for a bullish rally. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see a more granular view of Ethereum's recent price action. This timeframe reveals a series of smaller upswings and downswings, indicating a period of consolidation. While there is no clear directional trend on the 1-hour chart, we can observe some key levels that could influence future price movement. The immediate support level sits around $2,300, while the immediate resistance level sits around $2,400. Ethereum's price is currently trading above the support level, suggesting a potential for a rebound. However, if the price breaks below the $2,300 support level, it could signal a further decline. On the other hand, if Ethereum manages to break above the resistance level at $2,400, it could indicate a bullish shift in the short term. It's worth noting that the 1-hour chart also shows an increase in trading volume during the recent bounce, which might be a sign of renewed buying interest. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we're looking at an even shorter time frame to gain insights into the most recent price fluctuations. This chart demonstrates a very volatile price action with rapid upswings and downswings. It's important to remember that this level of volatility is typical of the cryptocurrency market, and it can be challenging to trade effectively on such a short time frame. While the 15-minute chart reveals a rapid rise in price from its recent lows, it's crucial to note that this is likely a short-term bounce. The overall trend on the 15-minute chart is still bearish, and it's unlikely that this recent bounce will lead to a significant long-term change in price direction. Let's take a look at the price action around the news of Iran launching a missile attack on Israel. If we zoom in on the one-day chart, specifically between October 1st and October 3rd, we can see a significant drop in Ethereum's price, coinciding with the news. This sharp decline suggests that the market reacted negatively to the news, as investors might have sought safe havens due to heightened geopolitical uncertainty. This event highlights the sensitivity of cryptocurrency prices to global events, which can have a profound impact on the short-term price trajectory. However, it's crucial to remember that Ethereum's price is still influenced by other factors, such as network activity and regulatory developments. The impact of global events can be short-lived, and the market may quickly recover as investors reassess the situation. To summarize, Ethereum's price action presents a complex and dynamic picture. While the recent downtrend suggests a bearish outlook, The lack of strong volume during this decline and the recent bounce could indicate a potential for a rebound. The daily chart highlights the key support level at $2,000, which could limit further downside potential. Breaking below this level could signal a more prolonged bearish trend. On the other hand, if Ethereum manages to break above the resistance level at $2,600, it could suggest a bullish shift in momentum. The 1-hour chart demonstrates a period of consolidation, with immediate support at $2,300 and resistance at $2,400. Breaking above the resistance level could signal a bullish shift in the short term. The 15-minute chart shows high volatility, with a recent bounce that is likely a short-term correction. It's important to remain cautious about trading on such a short time frame. Overall, Ethereum's price trajectory is likely to remain volatile, influenced by a range of factors, including global events, network activity, and regulatory developments. It's essential to stay informed about these factors and closely monitor the chart data to make informed trading decisions. Keep an eye on the price action around the key support and resistance levels identified, as these areas could provide valuable insights into the direction of Ethereum's price.